Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Richard today, and today we're going to be building one of these from Ikea. Yeah, they're not the sturdiest. But you know what? For the price, you can't beat it. They look alright, just looking over it, and you know what? I'll show you what it's going to look like after, eh Mika? Yeah, let's build this. You're going to make sure that you buy bulbs when you buy this. E12s, or you can get them in whatever shape you want. You can get them in the Edison bulb if you want, or you can get them in these. I like the look of the little round ones. You can get the ones that look like candles, or whatever you want to do. If you hear any ball squishing, that's my dog in the background. You're also going to need one of these, which is, try and say that, Fyxnas. If I was German, Fyxnas would be how I would say it, but it's Swedish. Gosh, that's a bad accent. Anyways, if you want it, you can get yourself little Phillips. This is just a Phillips that I got in another kit. Let's open it up and see what you have. You have this, garbage. Double check and make sure nothing is ripped and it's stretchy like nylons. Now that we've made sure stretch is like nylon, you could slide over your leg. I do not suppose or offer such service. As you can see right here, don't throw this away. This is not like garbage. You pull it like so. You'll see you have these. In the tip of every single one of these, you will have a screw. Undo design screw. And don't drop them. Don't drop them. These are probably M5s. I don't know. That's just screw talk. That's us screwing around. Lame dad joke. Okay, I'm not even a dad. Well, I do have a dog. Maybe I'm a fur daddy. That sounds just so wrong. Anyways, so take the screw, slide it into here, hold it with your finger, and just turn it. Now, I can actually get these tight without the bloody screwdriver. If you want to use a bloody screwdriver, you can come in here and do this. You really don't need to. Don't go too tight. If you go He-Man, you're going to crack this in half. I would just suggest using a monkey grip and sticking your finger in, like so. Use them finger power. And then, one more. It's crazy how quickly these go together. Whoa, wrong way. They kind of line up, so yeah, it's a really cool design. It's eco-friendly, it's made of plastic, it's flexy. So now that we've got this all built, that was all your assembly, take this little plastic ring off. Stick it up through the hole. Do these, hold with thumb. Take these, screw. And voila! Le carchon, we are complete. No, not quite. Take le bulb. You could do this part later, but let's just do it now. Mika, I can hear you and your ball from miles away. So, voila! Now, we take this. I suggest you do it like if you were gonna put on a turtleneck. Not that I wear too many turtlenecks. You put it on sideways. Is that how you put on a turtleneck? Then flex it in. Make sure you flex this in, because if that gets snagged on here, well, you gotta go buy a new lamp, and that would suck. Or you have to exchange it out at Ikea. So then next you're gonna do is this. Mega! And then I suggest getting your fingers in there and bending this in. Oh, until it's above it like so. See how I did that? Probably not. I literally bent this in with my finger so I could put that up and around. Make sure this is fully pushed out after. Now, you're like, oh man, am I really gonna pull this? Yes, you are. Come on, soldier, you can do it. So, watch this. You're like, oh man, but that ring is so big. How am I gonna get it around? Well, guess what? This ring flexes. So get one part of it in like that. And watch this. In, flexy waxy, and we're in. Look at that. Perfect. Now, you might need to play with this to get it even, or however you'd like it. Play around with that netting to get it straight-ish. But take a look at that bad boy. Now you're probably wondering, well, something so simple, how would it look in my room? Hold on, and I will put it in my room, and I will show you it. Also, don't forget, you can do your own little fancy designs. Why, or how, just by adjusting this ring on the inside. Look at that. Ooh, now you can do one this way, and one will aim that way. How fantastic, designery. Or you just level it out and just try to get this nice and circled in. Mika! So there's a look at them both on the sides of the bed. Let's go ahead and just do that so you can see, I guess. Back it up. And let's flick off the switch. And that's kind of the lighting it'll put off. Again, I have very high ceilings. But just a quick show on what it would look like with Mika and the lights. All in all, I think it puts off enough light. You wouldn't want more light than that from a lamp. It's just to help guide you to and from the bed. But I hope this gives you a quick view at the lighting they put off, the look that they give you on both sides of the bed, and that is about it. Thanks again for watching the video. Press a like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more.